So this is a new feature for DR events where so this is basically for when we want to frequently update a DR status for a route on a sync call. So previously we it's only updated on a restore call. So now what will happen is with auto sync and manual sync, if there is a new status of a DR event, if any DR events, if on one route, if two users are using the same route, then if few DR events are resolved by user 1 and few by user 2, then whatever the resolve status we have before the sync call, either it's manual or auto sync, it will it will like a delta restore, means we will see the resolved DR status via the user. Or if there are multiple DR runs in a day from admin side, then if a new events are generated, then that also will come in a sync call. So this will be available from 11634 onwards. So what will happen is what I can do, rather than showing on auto sync, because it will take around 2 minutes of time, I will show the manual sync call. So what I will do is I will sync one DR event from another user. uh, I will sync few DR events for 87 and 94. I will sync, I will resolve the events and I will sync it. Okay, and now what how we will see is I can resolve another event or I can just update any record. So if I just update this record, so update this record or sync resolve this DR event. Now I have already sync these two DR events, 87 and 94, from another user. So what will happen is whatever the resolve events from another user, that will get updated here. See, 87 and 94 are shown as a resolved DR events. So same will happen when there are new DR events are generated. If a new, if in new run, if a new DR is generated, then after a sync call, that will also be shown here. Okay. So this will be a new feature from in the admin part. The same will be reflected in the my days section as well. It will show you as a resolved status.